Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look, here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome everybody. Black, white. Look, gay, straight. Look, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Yes. My name's Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bang! We have a great show for you today. Bang! All right, the usual. All right, guys. So it's a little different kind of show. Well, we do have an onboarding, so that's not true. All right, so we got onboardings and we've got, we got a bunch of crazy stuff. Actually, hold on. All right, so, all right, story number 1. Ethereum onboards Reddit for scaling and resources. We're going to check that out. And then Pantera. You guys know about, well, maybe you don't, but they're big. Pantera to launch a crypto fund next month. Yeah. So that's traditional boys getting into the space. You know what I'm saying? That's not Grayscale. That's real boys now. I mean, Grayscale has, way more Bitcoin than these guys on it. But anyway, we'll get there when we get there, and we'll yap when we need to yap. And then, so for a fun story, well, not just fun, but amazing, the mayor of Reno, Nevada, pushes the government to adopt Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Yeah, the mayor of Reno. So we're going to talk about her. She wants to bring Chainlink to the rescue. Bang! But what we like, we'll talk about that when we get there, okay? I got to always stop myself. And then we'll do the shout-outs and daily summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang! Yes! Yes. Chainlink to the rescue. All right. Yeah, she said she wants to bring Chainlink to the rescue, dog. That's how it goes. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see what we're doing here. What? Look at the Dogecoin fucking chart. That's pathetic. A bunch of you fuckers are making money off Dogecoin today. I think Pollywood. You best get yourself out of that shit quick, dog. You best make your money and get out. Why you wasted your money putting it in there in the first place is yeesh. Yeesh. All right. Price of Bitcoin, $32,900. Oh, wait, it just changed. $33,036. All right. $36,033. Oh, sorry, $33,036 is the price. And when I left you yesterday, we're at $31,246. So we have gone up. What is this? 2,790. So up $2,790 from yesterday. Sounds about right. Bitcoin, how it do. Up 1,000, down 1,000. Up 2, down 2. You know how Bitcoin be. You know how Bitcoin does. You know how Bitcoin get down. All right. Let's get to the usual. Top 10 of the day. Look. Oh, hey, let me get a little daggone sip around here. Prepare ourselves. Oh, look at this Dogecoin shit. 823% up today. Oh, my gosh. Whoever, if anyone's in it, and like I know Pollywood is, you best get the fuck out, dog. Make that money and bounce. Why you have your money in there in the first place is beyond me. I think he said he's mining it. Why? That's a waste. All right. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Polkadot, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Chainlink, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at market moves of the day. Oh, single this up, single this down, except for everything of Dogecoin, except Dogecoin, because that is, bang, 824% up today. Really? Were they just adopted by some major government? Were they just accepted by some major corporation? This is such a pump. It's so disgusting. Oh, speaking of pump. All right, we got to talk about this shit. What's that thing? That video game thing. Hold on. We'll talk about that later. All right, when we get to the shout-outs. Yeah, and you saw how Robinhood shut off the trading. I'm going to talk to you about shenanigans. Yeah, I don't appreciate you guys know me. I'm a trader. I win trades, I lose trades. But I'm not cheated. They're straight up cheating the regular people out of the market, and this is right in your face, plain in sight. Now, I'm going to talk about that motherfucker. Actually, I'm going to write this down to remind myself. I got to remember the name of that fucking... It was some stock thing. Some stock went up yesterday. Well, I got to remember the name of it. Hold on, guys. I got to look. Actually, I was going to read the story tonight, but it's a stock story, so... fuck all that. But I am going to yap about it. Fuck all that. Ripping people off. Let me just find the name of this, and then we'll get back to our usual format. What's the name of that fucking coin? Oh, there's the Robinhood thing, but what's the name of the coin that they stopped? Or it's not a coin, it's a stock. Hold on, what's the name of it? Just 1 second, guys, then we get back to normal. But I got to yap about it because this is shenanigans. This is a scam. GameStop. That's it. Yeah, we're going to have some GameStop. Yap. Put it in with an exclamation point. Yeah, we're going to have some GameStop. Yap right there. This is the kind of shit, man. This is the kind of bullshit. All right, but let's just get to our stuff and then... Oh, that pisses me. That right there. Shit, that just actually got my juices going right now. That was kind of shenanigans right there. No, sir. All right, let's just do our stuff, though. And we'll go on from there. All right, so where are we at? Sigled is up, Sigled is down. Holy stellar. Really, motherfuckers? 22% up today? Dang. All right. Sigled is up, Sigled is down. Sigled is up, Sigled is down. V-Chain, why don't you fucking follow Stellar? Let's go, dog. Not yet, I know. Look what smart money gets here. Sigled is up, Sigled is down. Sigled is up, Sigled is down. Sigled is up, Sigled is down. Two, Sigled is up, two, Sigled is down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. If you see anything on here you like, go get it because it is on sale. Bye. Not many sales. It looks like it pretty much a broad market recovery across the board from last week's. Actually, not even last week. We were kind of down even yesterday. Anyway, whatever. Look. Top 10 losers, basic attention token, Tezos, Ox, Decred, Reserve Whites, Uniswap, Engine Coin, V-Chain, Icon, and Decentraland. Let's see who made money today. I know Dogecoin's up in this bitch. Bang, Dogecoin. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at these charts. These are stupid. Hold on. Let me show you these charts. I'm going to move the screen over a little bit, and then I'll move it back in a second. See the charts above my head? Look at that. D, bang, D, bang, D, bang, D. Doing nothing, and then all of a sudden just like that? Holy, someone's over here manipulating some daggone markets like a mofo. I tell you that right now. Really? Why'd those go up like that? For what? Any new onboardings, anything? Straight manipulation. All right, but that's how it is. Top 10 gainers. Dogecoin, Phantom, Bird, Scicoin, Digibyte, Voyage Token, Swissborg, Terra, Quant, and Nano. Actually, I guess right now would be an appropriate time to talk about this GameStop thing. Fuck this. Because this sort of applies to these crazy-ass gains we're just seeing right here. So you all know about GameStop. I'm sure if you haven't, there's this there's this company. All right, let me calm down because I'm pissed. This is getting me very angry. Well, I've been angry about it, but talking about it now is making it resurface. So let me get a sip. Calm the fuck down. So GameStop, these guys found out that there were a bunch of I think Citadel was a big hedge fund and a bunch of other hedge funds that were shorting it big time. I'm talking billions and billions of dollars, right? And someone found out somewhere, somehow, well, not somehow, because a lot of these hedge funds, they have to actually tell what they're doing, right? If they're big enough, you got to tell what you're doing. Right? That's why you have COT charts and everything, right? CFTC COT charts every Tuesday, right? Those are the big guys telling us what they're doing, right? And so, and you can go see them for free on the internet. It's not a big deal. And anyway, so though, we'll get into that a whole other day about COT charts. That's what you really should be watching. If you want to be a pro investor, COT charts. COT charts. Commitment of Traders. COT, Commitment of Traders charts. Yeah, go look at those. You know, then you really getting into the deep now. Now you're getting into where I'm at. It's proper money. Okay, so but this motherfucking thing, let's get back to this though. GameStop. So a bunch of people found out that a bunch of people were going to short this thing called GameStop. And so they set up, I guess, some sort of Reddit thing or something, and everyone just got together and was like, yo, fuck all that. And they drove the price of this thing, GameStop, up, I think, over 1,000% in like the past week. Yeah, well, all those big mega dogs, they got fucking stopped out. Mega. Like, do you know that there were so many hedge funds stopped out, like with billions of dollars in losses, that other hedge fund guys actually helped out their buddies. Yeah, like Citadel is a major, and I gotta tell you this, and that's why this is so shady. Citadel is a major owner of Robinhood. Really? It's a major greedy hedge fund, Citadel. Yeah, well, Citadel took a big loss. Citadel and their buddies, a couple of their buddies, Citadel even gave money to other hedge funds to cover their losses. Yeah, you know why? Well, this is now speculation. Yeah, and then, all right, let's just stop and let's go back. So, GameStop, boom, starts flying once the regular investor, mom and pop, regular Joe, start putting in their money and driving the price up. All these hedge funds lost billions. They're getting stopped out. So what does this motherfucking company, Robinhood, do? Stops trading on it. Yep, stop their clients from trading the thing. They allowed them to sell it, but not to buy it. Wow. Who does that benefit? Citadel, their fucking hedge fund, and all of Citadel's boys. So we're going to let you sell it. In other words, drive the price down, but we're not going to let you guys buy anymore. And that's what Robinhood did. If you are a Robinhood user, yeah, you best delete that. Fucking get that account out. That's shenanigans. That's miscreant behavior of the highest order. Robinhood is protecting Citadel, so Citadel shorts will work. Yeah. Well, the SEC today said, nice try, fuckstick. We're going to investigate this. Why are you stopping the trading on that? What are you stopping the trading for? And so, I know the CEO of Robinhood, he's saying, oh, well, it was a liquidity issue and everything. No, it wasn't, because you already admitted that you had enough liquidity. Right? Today he's saying it was a liquidity issue. You already admitted yesterday you had enough. Nice try, fuckstick. He's protecting his hedge fund guys. So what he's doing is a lot of the sales of this coin, GameStop, it's not a coin, it's a stock. I know. Why are you talking to us about stocks? It's a crypto show. But it's a market show. This is a market show. And that was major market shenanigans. GameStop price flew. All those hedge funds got crushed. And now, and especially Citadel got crushed, which is a major owner of Robinhood. Surprise, surprise, but I thought Robinhood was supposed to be for the people. Of course, that's what the website says, you fucking moron. Did you ever look behind who's backing the thing? Fucking grow up. And so that's what happened today. And that's what happened with that whole scenario there. Regular people said, no, we're not going to let these guys short it. And drove up the price. Stopped them out billions. There were hedge funds, they needed bailouts. Citadel literally spent billions bailing out other hedge fund guys. Now, you're probably asking yourself, Shomari, why would one hedge fund bail out another? And that's the key. That's where you realize the true sneakiness. Because they know Well, now this is only my speculation, okay? This is just Shomari talking now. This isn't true or in the news or anything. But if you know how these fucksticks play, let me just tell you what's happening. Robinhood stopped the sale of, stopped the buying of GameStop, but they allowed for the selling of GameStop. Obviously, if you sell it, less demand, you drive the price down. So their partner Citadel will make money, won't they? But you don't let people buy anymore, or else your boys at Citadel will keep getting fucked if they're not already stopped out already. That's the shenanigans. That's the shenanigans, and that's what happened with this GameStop thing and Robinhood. If you're a user of Robin, fuck all that. You get your fucking money out. And so, in other words, let me put it another way. Regular people got together, regular Joes, and they said, you know what, fuck this. We're not going to let them destroy this company. We're going to save it. We're going to put our hard-earned money into it. Boom, stock goes up. And then what happens? This fucking thing called Robinhood. Oh, yeah. They're out. They claim to be out for the little guy. Yeah, well, your actions sure don't show so. You stop the trading for what? For what? Yeah, guys. And so it's a scam. They scammed you. They're perpetuating a scam. It's fucking cold-blooded and evil. I told you guys, look, I'm a market guy. You know I'm a market killer. I showed you my trades. Don't worry, I'll be back doing it again probably next month, and we'll be doing the daily Forex little part when I do the shout-outs and stuff. But, oh, yeah. Yeah. You know, I lose trades, sure, but I lose them fair and square. I mean, I win most of mine, but, yeah, sure, I lose every once in a while. But I lose fair and square. Right now, there are a lot of soccer moms and dads who put their money into this GameStop thing. And with what Robinhood did, yeah, they're just sitting watching their money go down the drain right now because of fucking Robinhood. Yeah, you know, you're Robinhood. You're supposed to be robbing from the rich, giving to the poor. Robinhood, your little company, you're helping. What's the name of the guy? You're not helping the poor. What was the name of the guy? The evil guy in Robinhood, right? The guy who ran the place, right? They're helping that guy, right? The guy Robinhood used to steal from, right? The king or something, right? Yeah, you're helping the king, not the people. That pisses me off. So everybody right here, I'll say right now, if you have Robinhood, yeah, but Shomari, it lets me trade without this and this and this. Do you want to be the next victim? Do you want to be the next victim of shenanigans like this? This is blatant. This is blatant. You're stopping it for what? Yeah, because your boys at Citadel are losing money. So you're killing all of your not all of them, but anyone who invested in this fucking GameStop thing. You're killing all their money so that your boys at Citadel can ride high. You're fucking assholes. Assholes. Oh my gosh. So anyways though, a bunch of Congress people today, I should have done a story about this actually. In Congress today, Ted Cruz and a couple other ones, they were like, yo, fuck all this. And they're going to do an investigation into it. Yeah, Robinhood, you're in trouble. You're in fucking trouble. This is all manner of shenanigans. You're in trouble. All right, so let's get back to how we do. I hate seeing people get ripped off. You know what I mean? You put your hard-earned money into this space. Look, ripped off, that's not cool. If you lose your money, all right, well, you chose something stupid. Yeah, if you invested in this Dogecoin thing today, oh, yeah, you're making money now. Yeah, well, in a couple of days, you're probably going to lose it all. Yeah, well, you're a dumbass. You should have invested in something that actually does something, right? So I don't mind if you lose money. It's not the losing of the money that bothers me. You came to this space, you want to play with the big boys. All right, well, fucker, we're going to take your money from you. But cheating regular Joes, working people out of their money, nah, dog. I don't take kindly to that. I don't take kindly to that. Not around these parts. Not around these parts. No, sir. Around these parts, Shomari don't take kindly to that. So anyway, so that's what happened today. All right, let me get a sip. Calm down, and let's get back to our crypto. But that one there, man, just so blatant. Like such a blatant fuck over of the average consumer. Your hedge fund investor is losing money, so you stop the trading. So you'd rather destroy all the money of the people who invested in this GameStop thing that are on your platform, fuck them, and sit it out? You are fucking sons of bitches. Fucking disgusting. Just fucking disgusting. Thieves. Disgusting fucking thieves. Your boys at Citadel make the wrong choice like everyone else. You win some, you lose some. You're fucking sick. You're fucking sick. All right. Come on. All right. Hold on. Let me light a smoke even. Daggone, let me calm down. Fucking disgusting. Because I used to tell you. I told you guys when I first started trading Forex back when the internet first started. These brokers, you'd throw a little 10, 20G up in there, trade for a little while, make yourself some money. You decide to pay yourself, so take a little bit of money out. Yeah, they just keep your money. Yeah, they just rob you of your money. Straight rob you. This is when the internet first started. This was back in 1999, 2000 is when I first started trading. Yeah, there were no rules and everything, so no one, you couldn't really do anything about it. Right? You'd be on an exchange in Greece. Right? You got your 10G up in there. You grow your account. You trade it for 6 months. You grow it to 50G. You decide, all right, let me take a 10G for myself to treat myself that I've done good work. You go to take out your 10G. No money. Right, you go to take it out again. What happened here? Maybe I did something wrong. No money. Then you email the company. No answer. Then you go to log in. Your account's just gone. Yeah, what are you going to do? Yeah, the companies in Greece, they know your broke ass ain't going to go all the way to Greece, go and sue them, and live there until the trial is over? They would just rob people. I never got robbed, but so many stories, so many ripoffs of Americans, because Greece used to give big leverage. And so obviously everyone wants the leverage. Yeah, I didn't fuck around. I stayed with American companies. I didn't play games like that. It's like, fuck this. But a lot of guys got ripped off. And, we're not rich. You know what I mean? I'm a trader. Yeah, I murder these guys every day. Slaughter them. That's how I put food on my table. Yeah, but I'm not rich. If you rob me of a bunch of money, it's going to hurt. All right? And you think about these people on Robinhood, you daggone well know that those are just little soccer moms and dads. Half of them are probably millennials. Real soccer moms and dads, more middle class, 40 years old, 50 years old, they probably have E-Trade accounts. E-Trade, Yeah, the little kids right out of college, they're, they're into, Robinhood, it's, they're for the people and all that. It's more of a, kind of a, I don't know what you call it, but like more of a movement kind of thing. Yes, it's for the people. Yay, kind of thing. Yeah. Whereas E-Trade is straight like, yes, we're a real thing. Come buy from us. And so these millennials, they're the ones getting crushed. Fuck. And they're the ones with the least amount of money. They always talk about, the millennials are going to come and buy crypto. Millennials don't have money. They're still paying off their student fucking loans. They can't even buy homes with their wives. All right, guys. All right, so enough. But so that's what happened today. That's what that GameStop thing is all about. And I'm going to say it one more time. If you are a fucking, what do you call that shit? Robinhood user, just get yourself some E-Trade, first of all, to protect yourself. Yeah, because you won't see any shenanigans like that on there. I tell you that. Or Charles Schwab account. You're never going to see shit like that. And you delete that shit. You take your money out and fuck them. Fuck Robinhood. Okay? But I don't like the big banks. Yeah, well, if you were at a big bank, like an E-Trade account or a Schwab account, yeah, you'd still have your money right fucking now, wouldn't you? All right? So stop with the nonsense. Get regulated, licensed. Put your money in companies whose reputations matter. Right? If TD Bank did this or Charles Schwab did this, oh my gosh. You know how many billions of dollars would be flowing out of their companies right now? Well, of those platforms anyway, not the companies, not the banks, but yeah. But now you're with this little shit Robinhood. Fuck Robinhood. Get out of it. Get out of it. You tell them, you close your account, and when you close it, just before you close it, you send them an email to their customer service. Fuck you, bitches. Bah! Ooh. Okay. One more sip, and then we'll go. One more. Let me try to calm down. All right, guys. That's what happens when you're with unregulated, unregistered, licensed crap. Actually, I think Robinhood is regulated, but they're just doing shenanigans. All right, so where were we? All right, let's get back to our stuff, though. Top 10 of the day. Dogecoin, Phantom, Berg, Scicoin, Digibyte, Voyager token, Swissborg, Terra, Quant, and Nano. Let's see what the market cap is. Still under $1 trillion. Oh, real close, real close. All right. Real close. All right. Let's see what we got. $988.5 billion in market cap. When I left yesterday, we were at $928 billion in market cap. So we have gone up $60 billion in market cap. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is. I'm heated about that shit. Daggone. Yeah, motherfuckers want to storm a Capitol. What you got to do is storm the offices of fucking Robinhood, motherfucker. That's what you should be storming. Don't try to overthrow the government. Overthrow those motherfuckers taking your money. Robinhood. All right. Enough. Okay, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, which one are we at? All right. Today, 24-hour volume is $167.3. When I left yesterday, we're at $189.7 billion. So we've gone down $22.4 billion. All right. Let's get on to some stories so I can yap about some good news. Shit. Not right there, though. Right there will piss a motherfucker off. I'll tell you right now. Bang! Reddit. Let's move on quickly before my brain gets back on it. Reddit partners with Ethereum Foundation to boost scaling and resources. Look. So I'm reading this story because I basically view it as an onboarding for Ethereum. All right, let me get one more sip, though. Keep my mind on this crypto instead of going back to that. I mean, do you see how blatantly, you don't even have the respect. You're just blatantly we're stopping your trading. You can't buy anymore. Fuck it, you guys are driving it too high. Well, that's markets, fuckstick. That's market supply and demand. Well, we demand. Well, not we. I didn't buy that shit. I'm not a stock guy, but they demand it. So give them it. Oh, no. We're not going to let you buy it. Drive the price up. You can only sell. So it helps our little buddies at Citadel Hedge Fund. Fucking cocksuckers. Fucking motherfuckers. Fucking vermin. Fucking scumbags. Fucking worms. All right. Actually, maybe I shouldn't drink. I'm probably going to get angrier. I'm like what is called a happy drunk. When I drink, I'm happy. Well, this particular story might turn that tide. I mean, like, when I drink, I'm the funnest fucker to be around. You know, some guys, when they drink, I have a buddy, when he drinks, you know, he gets into fights. You know, start talking shit to people. I'm the exact opposite. I'm the kind of guy, when you get me drunk, yeah, hey, Shomari, can you help me move my apartment? Sure, buddy, let's go. I'm like that. You know what I mean? If you catch me at the right time, you'll make me do stuff. Not make me, I mean, I choose, but you can get me to do stuff that if I'm sober, I'd be like, well, I've got shit to do tomorrow or whatever. Yeah, these guys are smart. They come over here and they get me drunk and they ask me to do stuff for them. Like move their apartments and shit. And then by the next morning I wake up, I've got a knock on my door at 9 a.m. Hey, Shomari, you said you'd help me move my apartment. I'm like, God daggone fuck. Since I promised, I got to go do it. That's a literal story. That's a literal story here. All right, guys. This guy helped me. So I'll just tell you the true story. This guy comes over, gets me drunk. Well, didn't get me, but I got. And then, hey, Shomari, help me move. I need someone because you have a driver's license. I don't. He's from Italy. So he didn't have a driver's license, but he needed a moving van, someone to rent a moving van for him. So I was like, yeah, fucking yeah. You know, I'm drunk. I'm happy. I'm like, fuck yeah, I'll help you. Come on over in the morning. Yeah, we'll get a van. We'll get your shit in there and we'll do it. Yeah, well, the next day, hey, Shomari, you said you'd help me. I was like, oh, fuck. Shit. All right, let's go. Of course, I did it. Daggone. All right, guys. All right, let's get to crypto. Whew. All right, let's get back to our money, though. Today's a funny show. This is a fucking funny show. I shouldn't have even brought up that subject. I wasn't going to, but it was just such a big piece of news today that, I mean, it's even on CNN and on Al Jazeera and shit. I was like, really? Yeah. And then the CNN had the CEO of Polkadot on there about a couple hours ago. So right now it's it's actually 11:59 p.m. Yeah, a couple hours ago I was watching it, and he was on there. He was just evading and talking bullshit. I was like, oh, fuck off. All right, so I'm sorry, guys, but I'm a market killer, so this is the kind of shit I look at, It's the kind of shit that gets a killer angry. All right. But you see, it's these shenanigans. It's these shenanigans that these rich fucks do that makes me so happy. That's why I do this channel. I've told you about this a million times. Yeah, I don't make money from YouTube. I don't take YouTube's pocket change. YouTube wants me to monetize this shit. Of course they do. They want to get their commercials in and they want their ad money. I don't allow that. Nah, this is for the regular guy. This channel's for the regular guy. Oh, yeah, the worker bee. The Joe Schmo. Ha ha! Because there's a daggone tsunami coming. And for once, if I can help it, the regular man, there's a tsunami. There is a tsunami of money that's going to come to this space. And for once, the regular man, oh yeah, he's going to get his piece. He's going to get his fucking piece this time. See, in the real world, in the regular world, it's all built for these rich motherfuckers to make money off of you. Let's get real. Yeah, you worker bees, look, there's a thing called an IPO. Oh, yeah, what it is, a bunch of insiders. They're already rich, but they get shares real cheap. Real cheap. Our brother 007, he showed us. He showed us the SEC filing of Facebook. They got their shares at 0.000006. And they fucking IPO'd it to everyone at $32. Bah! Oh, yeah. Oh. That's how they did you. That's how they did you. Right? Yeah, well, things are a little fucking different this time. Things are a little fucking different this time. This time, the regular man, you, listening to me right now, you've got the asset that the rich man wants. So what I like to call this is, we're going to do around these parts, we're going to hold a little reverse IPO. Yes. Oh, they got tears in my eyes. Angry. I'm angry. We're going to do a little reverse IPO round. These parts. Yeah, I bought my V-Chain at 0.003. Look at you, rich fucker. I'm going to need at least $1 for those. Yeah. It's our turn. It's your turn. It's your turn now. You're the one with the asset that they want. And they can't resist. They're a bunch of greedy, filthy motherfuckers. Obviously, they're going to come to the space. Well, it's also a viable asset class, so it's not like, why wouldn't you? You know, it's not anything. It's not like we're ripping them off or anything. It's a viable asset space. Yeah, but you're in here first. You, listening to me right now, are here first. You're the one with the IPO, and that's what this channel is about. Making you build a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Bang! Making you build a cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang! And filling it with working, revenue-generating product. Bang! So when these sons of bitches who get away with shit like this come around here, nah, you're going to make them pay. You're going to make them pay a real good premium for your goods. A real good premium for your goods. Oh, I'm not talking little premium. Oh, look. You got the tears coming. Well, those are tears of joy. I know, it looks crazy. Why are you crying? A little upset. Look. Wow. You're going to charge them a good premium. I'm not talking a little premium. Oh, we're going to give it to them nice and juicy. They're going to pay nice and juicy. Just like how they do us. They buy the Facebook like this, and then they sell it to us like that. Yeah, well, you got your V-Chains like this, you're going to sell it to them like that. Bang! You're going to pay a fucking premium. That's what this channel's about. That's what this channel's about. That's why I do this shit for free. I'm a market killer. I kill these guys every fucking day. If you're new here, I'm a professional Forex trader. Yeah, that's how I put money in my pocket and food on my table. And I battle these sons of bitches daily. Bitch slap them like they're nothing, because they aren't. They aren't. They aren't. Okay? But when you do shit like this, that's called shenanigans. It's called miscreant behavior. It's called a bunch of fucking bullshit. And look, that's how they do you. That's how they've been doing the regular man for far too long. And this channel, that's what this channel is about. We're going to right that wrong. We're going to right that wrong. Well, at least whoever watches this channel. Well, my subscribers, we're going to right that wrong. And this time, the regular man, or at least my subscribers, will be the ones charging the premium this time. You'll be the one charging the fucking premium this time. And they're going to have to fucking take it. They're going to have to fucking take it, motherfucker. Yeah, you want these V-Chain? I know. Oh, yeah, V-Chain, yeah, all these Fortune 500 onboardings. All right. All these Fortune 500 onboardings. All these government contracts. Well, I bought this V-Chain at 0.003, rich boy. I see you got that private jet there. Look! You're going to pay me $1 a piece. Minimum. See what I'm saying? Well, you don't. Well, or you can go get them somewhere else. See if anyone else sells them to you cheaper than that, fucker. All right, guys. So, all right. Whew. Now you're seeing the true passion of Shomari. Now you understand why I do this channel. It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Well, regular folk, like my sister and stuff, worker bees. You're going to get your fucking piece this time. You're going to get your fucking piece this time. Now, the rich man's been, since the days of Jesus. I'm riffing off the regular man for far too long. Well, my subscribers, we're going to make them pay. All right. So seriously, though, guys. Fuck. Let's go. How long have I been talking already? All right, guys. Oh, that's what this channel's about. Oh, that's why I got my little chat room in Twitter, so everyone can talk to each other and look at what to get. That's why I got this channel here, to show you how it all is built, custody, insurance, all the stuff. If you're paying attention, you're going to get your piece this time. This time it's your time. You out there, soccer mom, dad, worker bee, the regular Joe. This is your time. All right, so let's go. Popular social media network Reddit, which counts over 1.7 billion monthly visits, is deepening its ties with the Ethereum Foundation in what is formalized as its first ever blockchain partnership. Bang! So, bang, bang, onboarding for Ethereum. But Ethereum sucks. Yeah, well, it does the job that Reddit needs, right? Like I always tell you guys about Ethereum, right? Shomari, man, Ethereum sucks. Yeah, well, if you use tech nerd standards, it does. But if you look at it from the business perspective, it's great. It's free. Oh, well, it's not free. I got to just pay this gas. I can do what I want. All right. So, according to an announcement from Reddit admin u/Jarens, the aim of the partnership will be to increase the site's commitment to blockchain, accelerating scaling and resources for the Ethereum ecosystem, and bringing the value and independence of blockchain technology to millions of Redditors. Bang, bang, Redditor. Obviously, you all know is major. I don't ever use Reddit, but a lot of you guys are always tweeting me Reddit stuff. So in 2020, Reddit has already initiated 2 large Ethereum-focused projects. Had already initiated 2 large Ethereum-focused projects. The first, an application called Community Points, was a reward system that awarded Redditors with ERC20 tokens for contributing engaging content to the platform. Reddit then followed this up with a competition, the Great Reddit Scaling Bake Off. Okay, that's an interesting name. Seeking submissions of Ethereum scaling technology solutions that can help applications like Community Points progress to mainnet and ultimately scale to all of the network's 400 plus million monthly users. Okay. So with this new stage of a more formalized engagement with the Ethereum Foundation, a more formalized engagement. So now it's not just Reddit saying some stuff, but this is a more formalized engagement. In other words, hey, we want to work with you guys. Let's collaborate. Let's work together. So with this next stage of a more formalized engagement with the Ethereum Foundation, the focus will be on developing the scaling technology that can support large-scale applications like Community Points on the Ethereum blockchain. The project will be led by Reddit's in-house crypto team, and the announcement includes an appeal to any back-end engineers who have an interest in scaling and will be interested in joining the Reddit crypto team. Hey, you want a job, fuckstick? Let's go. We need some people. Let's go. Look, great. To help with its work on developing a more decentralized internet. All the scaling technology developed through the new partnership will be open sourced to the public. So, according to the Post, Community Points are currently in beta on their Rinkeby network and are being tested in R cryptocurrency and R Fortnite BR. All right. Reddit sees the application as its first attempt at utilizing decentralized technology to empower individuals to have a sense of accountability and more ownership in the communities that they create and contribute to. So in recent days, Redditors have been making headlines for their coordinated day trading campaign to pump shares. Oh, this is what I just talked about. Right. That's right. So in recent days, Redditors have been making, I wish I didn't read this last one because I'm going to get angry again. Redditors have been making headlines for the coordinated day trading campaign to pump shares in the game retailer GameStop. Rising seasoned hedge funds rinsing. Right. Rinsing. They got rinsed. Rinsing seasoned hedge funds in the process. But apparently, one hedge fund had a good old friend. Had a good old buddy. Little good old buddy Robin Hood. Hey, buddy, can you help me out? All your traders are fucking with me. They're fucking with my short position. Can you stop that? Well, what do you want me to do? How about stopping them from buying anymore? Just let them sell. All right, dog, I can do that for you. Fucking cocksucker. Fucking Robin Hood piece of shit. Piece of shit. Motherfuckers. Now, that's how it went down. That's how it exactly went down. I'll tell you, it might even went down like this. You want to even get more gangster with it? Maybe Citadel said, look, Robin Hood, you stop those motherfuckers from buying this shit, or we're going to pull out of your company. Robin Hood said, all right. We'll sacrifice soccer mom and dad. We need your investments. Oh, I know. That one hurt there. That one hurt. When I said it that way, it hurt. Let's get real. That's how shit goes down. We'll sell our shares in this Robin Hood thing. We'll get out of here. You fix this. You know, he tried to pull a Donald Trump. He lost the election, and he tried to call around to everyone. Tell him that it wasn't, tell him that the votes were fake. It wasn't rigged and all this. Right? Well, unfortunately for Donald Trump, people did their jobs and were like, no, dog, it wasn't rigged. So obviously we have the new guy. Unfortunately for us, well, not for me, but for people, for regular individuals with their hard-earned money. Imagine you rip off my mother like this, you motherfucker, or my sister. Holy shit. That's what I think about. I'm a killer. I can handle it. You know what I mean? Look. I'm a single male. I can handle it. I can battle. I can fucking kill. Little soccer mom and dad. Oh, yeah. Little millennials. Putting their hard-earned money in. Just trying to get a little ROI. Just a little ROI. And you gonna fuck them? You gonna fucking fuck them up? Motherfucker? You son of a bitch. You fucking motherfucking. I don't even know the word. I don't even know the words. Because there aren't any English words I can even say that would be as bad as I want to say it. I tell you right now. Oh, if I could just grab their necks right here and just fucking choke it. All right, let's move on. Oh, yeah, but they got rinsed. See the hedge funds here? It says they got rinsed. Yeah, they did get rinsed because the regular man said no. Oh, yeah, but the rich man always has a way out, doesn't he? Rich man's always got a buddy in control of something. All right. You know, you little worker bees, you want to start a union at your job, maybe. I don't know, you work at a factory or you work at some sort of thing like this. Worker bee stuff. You want to start a union. But the boss says no. But you say it's all right. The law says bang, bang, bang. As long as enough of us vote for the union, we can have it. Yeah, but you know what the rich guy does? He calls up the governor of your state. Oh, yeah. You're in Pennsylvania. You're a steel worker. You want to be part of a steel union? Well, that steel company doesn't like it. They call up the governor. The governor says, oh, yeah, don't worry. I'll pass a law making sure they don't get to do that. Right? Always the rich guy. Fucking over the regular guy. I want you all to know. We don't take kindly to that here at Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Or in the multiverse. Not around these parts. All right, let's move on to the next story, which I hope doesn't mention this so I don't have to yap anymore. This just angers me. Oh, my gosh. It always happens. Oh, fuck. If I could just grab them by the neck. All right. All right, guys. So the next story is bang. All right, let's get back to some bang. Shit. Pantera Capital is looking to launch a new institutional-driven fund next month. Bang. Yes. Get back to some bang and some fuel. That's why I'm here, my subscribers. Oh, you're going to get this money. You're going to reverse IPO on these sons of bitches. And you will be rich. It's your turn this time. Well, you follow this channel. It's your turn this time. All right, look. I'm daggone serious. That's why I do this shit for free, fucksticks. People want to pay me to tell them what I tell you guys. You know what? People want to pay me salary to tell the shit that I tell you. Yeah. I told you around here in South Beach. So if you're new here, I live in South Beach, Florida. Yeah, I have managers of family offices and shit. Shomari, man, come on. Yeah, you get it for free. Sort of like, like like an activist, you got your different activists. You got the Black Lives Matter. Yeah, you don't want killing black people anymore. You got your Antifa. You don't want anti-fascists. You got your these guys stormed the Capitol. We don't want to, whatever that was for. I don't know what that was for. We want Trump. You got your that's different activism. Oh, and then you got your environmentalist for environmental activism. Well, this channel is financial activism. Yeah. This is financial activism. I ain't taking money. This is volunteer, baby. And you're going to make this money, folks. You're going to make this fucking money. Follow along. Pay attention. That's what we're doing. We're doing financial activism. That's right. All right. All right, come on. Fuck. Let's go. Because I could talk about that for hours and hours and hours, as I'm sure you can tell by now. Pantera Capital, I can tell you all about shenanigans. I mean, I've talked to you about Enron shenanigans. Bang, I've talked to you about Bernie Madoff shenanigans. I mean, those are the big ones. But those ones they fuck over a lot of people. But this one here today, now this is soccer mom and dad. This is not, so was Enron, so, yeah. I don't want to fuck around, but I mean, this one was just so blatant, just in your face, right in your face. Oh, you guys are making all that money? Well, guess what? Bang, no more buying that. What the fuck? You see? That's how these rich motherfuckers roll. In the markets, and I'm not stupid, I'm not ignorant, I'm not naive. I know the markets are geared toward the rich. And that's why they have Bloomberg terminals, because on a Bloomberg terminal, you get all the news, all the day, all the news, shit that you regular worker bees with your little E-Trade accounts, that you don't get that. You don't get any of that. Right? Like, you see that when I'm on Forex Factory. Let me show you this shit. Fuck this. Hold on. Fuck it. Fuck this. I'm pissed. Let me show you a little something. Let me show you guys a little something. Right? Those guys get all the information. It's called a Bloomberg terminal. That Bloomberg terminal gives them all the data. You don't get to see that. Okay? And that's why. Hold on, where are we at? Fuck. Yeah, you see Forex Factory? That's why I trade here. You see, I get the news. I want to make sure you can see this. All right, you can see it above my head right there, or over here, right here, above. See all that? Yeah, that's what the big dogs get. And I get that news the exact second they get it. Right? I'll show you the whole week. Let's look at the week. Can we? Wait, well, I know we can. Let me just... excuse me. Oops, that's tomorrow. It's today. Oh, there we go. This is the week's news. So we get the German preliminary GDP numbers quarter by quarter. We get the economic barometer. We got the Canadian GDP numbers, manufacturing numbers. All these numbers, I want to make sure you can fucking see this. I want to make sure you can fucking see this, motherfuckers. All right? See all that? Final manufacturing PMI. Manufacturing PMI is all over the world. ADP non-farm employment chains. So that's this one right here. That's the American non-farm employment numbers. We're going to get that on Wednesday, on the 3rd of February. Bank of England monetary policy. That's the Bank of England's, here it is right here. The rate, the monetary policy summary. And then the official rate comes out at 7 a.m. So I get all the information that these fucksticks get, and that's how I kill them. Yeah, this is what they're looking at. I get all the numbers. I get the official number. There it is, the official bank rate numbers for the British pound. That's the exchange rate. Sorry, not the exchange rate. Holy, I'm too angry and got to calm down. That's the interest rate number, right? And I get it the exact same time they do, right? And I get all the numbers at the exact same time they do. Yeah, well, these motherfuckers, and that's why they can't fuck with me. Yeah, well, I know what you know. Well, I know what that means, and so, bang, I kill them. See, these cocksuckers, these motherfuckers here, you know, that's the difference, is that in the stock market that you don't have that, right? There's just a lot of shenanigans, All right, let's just go to the next thing. I'm trailing off now into other things. Oh, well, I guess what I'm trying to say is, they can't fuck me over because I got the numbers too. All right, that's not what I'm trying to say, but I lost the train of thought. Let's just move on. Pantera Capital is looking to launch a new institutional-driven fund next month. All right. So in an episode of The Scoop, Dan Moorhead, CEO of Pantera Capital, confirmed the company is in the work to launch a new fund. The company currently... All right, let me get rid of this. And that's what it's about, though, information. That's what we trade off of, information, right? All right, man, let's just talk about some other shit. Let's talk about this crypto crap again. It's in the works to launch a new fund. The company currently runs over $1 billion of assets for its customers and is focusing on adding new institutional investments through the new fund, Moorhead further said. So across 2020, institutional funding has spiked in the crypto market, adding an unprecedented $4 billion in hedge funds during the year. Pantera aims to continue riding on its customers' demand wave by targeted heavyweight institutional investors for its new crypto-focused fund, which is expected to launch next month. According to Dan, there has been an influx of institutional investors getting on the Crypto Act in the past year as Bitcoin spiked to an all-time high price of $42,000. The new fund will offer institutional investors $42,000. The new fund, American dollars. The new fund will offer institutional investors a diversified class of assets rather than a single asset fund such as Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust. So that's what I'm telling you is coming. Once all of these things are regulated here, yeah, well, you're going to see companies coming out with distributed ledger technology, Internet of Things fund. So any distributed ledger technology provider with Internet of Things, IOST, IOTA, I think. Is VeChain doing IoT? No. But whoever else is doing IoT, will be in one fund, right? If you, if you're a fund manager, you can come up with a cryptocurrency distributed ledger technology provider. What's the big famous, what do you call that shit? Supply chain fund. Supply chain. I was like couldn't figure it out. Supply chain fund, right? And you'd have all the Bitcoins, cryptos. All right, let me calm down. All right. So all the cryptos that deal in, what did I just say? In, man, I'm so angry. That deal in, supply chain, will all be in one fund. Remember, a fund is just a basket of assets, right? Just like your 401k at your job, right? Probably right now you have at your job, you picked one. Well, I know you picked one because you have to have one. And so, it's the shit that's in your 401k. Well, that's just a basket of assets. And so there are going to be many digital ledger technology provider funds that come out. And so, I've told you that before, but just a little reminder. All right, there you go. A little reminder. All right, I'm getting in a happier mood now. All right. Yes, I am getting in a happier mood now. All right. Right, and so, right, and so, the reason I'm saying that to you, it'll be, these funds are going to be diversified class of assets, then rather than just one single asset in the fund, like the Bitcoin Trust, right? So right now we have all these funds, but they're Bitcoin fund, Ethereum fund. Yeah, well, once all this shit is regulated, it'll be like the stock market. Just like then that's what I mean by your 401k. Your 401k has many different stocks in it, right? Most likely. That's how it was when I was a kid, when I actually worked. Well, I do work, but work for someone else, making them rich. Giving them my labor. It's going to be the same way. You know what I mean? You're probably going to have a fucking DeFi fund. Yeah, all the highest DeFi things. Yearn, Sushi Swap, this swap, this swap. Maybe a swap fund. This swap, that swap fund. Just like the stock market. And that's why I try to get you guys to forget about this fantasy world of crypto world. These are just companies. The fantasy world of crypto world is like, we're freeing people, and we're doing look. You're just a bunch of companies shilling shit, just like any other fucking industry. Okay? Yeah, Microsoft says, well, we're freeing you with information and everything. You're just a guy selling me shit. Now, yes, the result of you selling me that shit means I have an operating system on my computer, and I get to find out what happened in China today. Whereas if I didn't have this computer with this internet, I wouldn't know. But that's not why you're doing it. You're doing it because you're making money. Because you guys have a sort of planned rollout of shit. Anyway, that's a whole other story. But all right, so there we go. So finally, we're really seeing an inflection point with more coming into the market over the last couple of months, Moorhead said. We had a ton of inbound calls from endowments. Oh, the endowments. I was going to talk to you about that today. All right, guys. I'm going to talk to you about endowments tomorrow. We've talked about it a little bit, but I'm going to get into it, though. And others that are trying to get exposure to the space. So, bye! There you go. There you go. They're going to launch new institutional-driven funds next month. Yeah. And Pantera. Oh, sorry. So what the fuck? A lot of people are, but Pantera is a real market killer. They're market killers. You know what I mean? Like, they're market killers. So when they launch a fund, market boys know. That's what I should say, why I'm reading this to you. Of course, man, there's a lot of funds coming out, but yeah, that's why this investment fund is mega, first of all, because it's bang, institutional driven, which means big money. And big money dogs, wow, they all know about Pantera. A lot of them have money with Pantera. And so this is big. This is huge. This is, when Pantera releases their funds. And what they say. So maybe I should tell you this. That's coming next month. So you might want to start accumulating. Yeah, you might want to start really getting focused. Really just look. I mean, it doesn't say what they're going to invest in or what the funds are going to be, does it? Right? Because it doesn't say what it's going to be, but it just says rather than a single asset fund, like Grayscale, Bitcoin, yeah, we're going to rock other shit. Yeah, well, they're going to rock, I can tell you right now, Pantera are not stupid. That's called smart money. Pantera Capital. Yeah, well, what are they going to put in their funds? Bang! The shit that should be in your warehouse. Revenue generating product. Bang! Build big. Bang! Build strong. Bang! Built with revenue generating product. Yeah, Pantera Capital is not going to come out with, well, like I just showed you here. Dogecoin. Yeah, that's not gonna be in any fund. That's not gonna be in any Pantera fund. You know what I mean? That's dog shit. Literally dog shit. It's doji shit. Right? It's never gonna be in a Pantera fund. But let's go over here. Let's see what could be in a Pantera fund. Who's making money around here? Bitcoin, bang. Oh, but they said it's not gonna be Bitcoin. So Ethereum, bang. Polkadot, bang. Yeesh, you're under SEC indictment. You're not going to be in any fucking fund. Tell you that right now. Cardano, bang. Chainlink, bang. Litecoin, bang. And we can bang all the way down. And so get now. Accumulate. Because now they're starting to build funds that are not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, what does it say? It's not just. Well, we have been talking a lot tonight. We got to do this because I want you to make money. It's your time now. All right? Rather than a single asset fund. It's going to be multiple coins. Multiple distributed ledger technology providers. Assets in there. So, they're obviously, this is Pantera. They are not stupid. Well, they've got analysts. And those analysts have told them what to put in these funds. Oh, I tell you right now. They're gonna have a fucking, what do you call this? What did I call it? Holy, I'm so upset, man. I can't even remember how I talk. They're gonna have they're gonna have an Oracle fund, an Oracle Master fund. All right, guys, so you get it? Here they come in next month, so we'll see. And we'll keep an eye on it and see what funds they're coming out with and stuff. And, good stuff. All right, let's move on. Okay, and so something a little more light and just fun. All right. I have to get so serious. Wow, got to get serious. This is serious shit. But it's also fun to just have a little fun right here in a little while. So, all right, Reno, Nevada. Mayor Hillary Schieve pushes the government to adopt Chainlink to the rescue. Well, let me say it this way. Push to adopt Chainlink. What does Chainlink do? Well, they come to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. I got to sing it. Chainlink to the rescue. Well, I want to sing it. Get myself happy. Oh, my son, you got a blockchain? No data on it. It's such a pain. You looking sad? You looking down? You looking blue? Settle down, brother. Call Chainlink. They'll come to the rescue to help your blockchain. Chainlink to the rescue. Now we're happy. There we go. Let's get a topic change. And that's what she's talking about, bringing Chainlink to the rescue. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's cool. But seriously though, all right. The truth is though, but just now, you see that American mayors are beginning to see, politicians. Let's just put it that way. These guys are mayors that we talk. But like here in Miami, yeah, we're about to put Bitcoin in our funds right here. Well, I don't live in Miami. I live in Miami Beach, which is a different city than Miami, but Miami's right across the water. And Suarez, I believe his name is, yeah, he wants to throw Bitcoin right into the treasury of the city of Miami. Yeah, dickhead. Why wouldn't you? I used to tell you guys back in 2018, if I was a dictator, shit, are you fucking joking? I'd have had Bitcoin. In fact, I'd go buy Bitcoin miners and put them in every citizen's household. Tell them, you just keep that rig on. If the light turns off, call us and we'll come have someone swap out the rig. A mining rig. Anyways, though, and now this lady in Reno, Nevada, you guys know that in Wyoming, oh my gosh, what a shit kicker town, what a shit kicker state. But they're all over the fucking crypto. So it's making inroads. Amongst actually the leaders of, cities and states, right? I mean, let's get real. The best thing is Gary Gensler about to enter the SEC. Oh, yeah. Bah! Obviously, that's the best. But everything else helps. Oh, yeah, every little bit counts. All right, so let's go on. Let's move on. Let me have a sip here. This is a short story, actually, so we don't have. It's not going to take long. All right, so Chainlink, the Oracle platform. Got one of its biggest political endorsements yesterday. One of its, I think probably the biggest. I've never heard of another one. Got its biggest political endorsement yesterday. It didn't even have to pay for it. What does that mean? Chainlink adoption. Hillary Schieve, the mayor of Reno, Nevada, pushed for the adoption of Oracle protocol Chainlink in a tweet yesterday. She became one of the first ever politicians to publicly endorse the platform. Dang, all right. All right, so yeah, usually I don't read tweets, but let's read it. Absolutely come to city of Reno. Let us show you around. Edon Reno. All right, fuck that thing. I don't even understand what that means. All right. Chainlink is the world's biggest Oracle provider with its settlement token Link. Valued at over 9.4. Hold on one second. Some fucking miscreant just texted me. $9.4 billion. As of press time. Oracles are third-party data tools that fetch data from outside a blockchain to within it, as blockchain cannot, by design, verify the authenticity of incoming data, even though they are immutable stores of data. And that's what's necessary. That's what's necessary. Right? That's what's necessary. Blockchains, you just put whatever info on it. But if it's not authentic data, well, you're just stuck with an immutable piece of dog shit data. So that's why you need an Oracle to put good data on your blockchain, right? Verifiable, authenticated, good data, right? Oh, this fucker's coming over here. Oh, from France. So using Chainlink helps avoid this. The Oracle service fetches data from multiple providers to provide a single synchronized feed to clients and users. Doing so allows other applications to work seamlessly without depending on a single or doctored data supplier. And it's a project that Schieve is now endorsing. She said in a tweet yesterday, the time is now to work on great projects for Nevada. Link. Thank God. That's nice. That's nice. A statement that affirms some earlier tweets, which suggested that she even held Link tokens. Oh, she might be a hodler? Oh, maybe that's why she's doing it. She's trying to boost it. Well, no, but you're gonna need off-chain data on-chain, so it's not, come on. It's viable, it's usable. Chainlink can, it's not like if she said, buy Dogecoin. Just a piece of garbage. Chainlink can find many use cases in Reno. Chainlink God, an early adopter of Chainlink and a popular community ambassador, noted that apart from Oracle usage for weather, health, and traffic, replying in the affirmative to another tweet, a potential Chainlink node could be used towards maintaining a record of the local government. The anonymous frog said, a Reno Chainlink node could also provide an immutable record of all government actions, increasing transparency and community trust in the information. And then blah, 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 they talk. So, crypto-friendly politicians in the U.S. The brief discussion wasn't sudden for Schieve, who has remained the Reno mayor since 2014 as an independent candidate. She has previously called for the deterrent of society using technology. Wait, what? The detriment. Oh, betterment. Oh, all right, there we go. All right, it's all right. She has previously called for the betterment of society using technology. All right, now that I've had those sips, the vision is getting a little cloudy. So, I'm just kidding. She's previously called for the betterment of society using technology and even opened up the crypto donations before her re-election campaign in 2018. So, meanwhile, Schieve's endorsement for Chainlink wasn't the only crypto story to have emerged from a politician. Elsewhere in Miami, this is our guy right here, this fucker. Right, this is what I was just talking about. City Mayor Francis Suarez uploaded the Bitcoin white paper to the government's website. That's right. He's like, dang on, this is good shit. Bang! Put that on the website. Becoming the first U.S. government, local government to do so. Bang! And there it is. There's the white paper. All shiny and fancy. So the file was uploaded in response to an ongoing legal campaign by Craig Wright, the co-founder of Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, who claims to be the inventor all of this shit. Oh, yeah. He claims to be the inventor of Bitcoin. He's failed to provide any conclusive proof of these claims thus far. As CryptoState reported last week, Wright is taking down Bitcoin white papers hosted on several websites by claiming it to be his property. In response, several influential figures such as Suarez and later even Schieve have uploaded the Bitcoin white paper on their own site. So what this motherfucker, what was he called? Fake Toshi, Craig Wright. This guy, he says that he's Satoshi, but obviously he hasn't proven anything. He hasn't proven it. Well, if you're fake, if you're Satoshi, well, move a Satoshi from the Genesis account. Very simple. And he's got all sorts of excuses why he can't do it. Yeah. So that's funny that American politicians are like, oh yeah, fuckstick, we're going to upload. Oh, and so what he's been doing is he's gone on a legal campaign suing people. All right, here it is. Wright is taking down white papers hosted on several websites by claiming to be his property. Yeah, and he's a rich guy, right? He's a rich guy. And so he's saying like, yeah, if you don't take it down, I'm going to sue you. Well, a lot of these websites, they don't have the money to battle a guy like that. And so they're taking it down. So as you can see, it says here, right here, in response, several influential figures such as Suarez and later even Schieve have uploaded the Bitcoin white paper on the site. So if you want the city of Miami or the city of Reno, Nevada to take down that white paper, well, you got to sue them. Well, they got a lot more money than you, fuckstick. And they can wait it out. Bang! All right, guys. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck, a lot of piece of shit talk today. All right, let's get out of here and let's get to the friendly part. Bang! What we got? Robbie Hardaway, led by the Zebra, the bang! What we got? Sloppy, led by the Zebra, hold down the north. Bang! Adam G. Simmons, screenwriter, actor, writer of Point Blank, Hit, Kick, Punch, Kill, Man Down. All right. Led by the Zebra, the bang! What do you got? Oh, new follower. We them boys. All right, you them boys. Oh, he's the boys. That's Dallas Cowboys. He's a Dallas Cowboys fan. Yeesh, not this year, brother, but next year. You know the Dallas Cowboys. You guys actually had the most yardage in the year. Yeah, but you know what? Couldn't get to the end zone. Yeah, but you got more yards than any other team in the league. So you're moving the ball right, but it's getting in that end zone that matters. You need that running back or that, something. All right, boys. We'll see you next year. Love you, but see you, but the bang. Yeah, the boys, the Cowboys, man. They made many yards, but they just couldn't punch it through the end zone. Making all the yards is great. You're taking time off the clock. You're doing all that, but, yeah, well, motherfucker, you got to score at the end. Field goals don't win championships. All right, Biniam. Love by the Zebra, the boy. CB News. Grayscale is about to make a splash in the DeFi waters. New trust. Oh, I know. The trust filings were revealed earlier this week for AAV, Dot, and Atom. Yeah. I'm going to talk about that probably on Saturday because these are filings, but it doesn't mean they're actually going to do it. It just means that they're filing so that if they decide to, well, all right, the paperwork's already done. But it doesn't mean they're actually going to do it. So we'll see. But probably on Saturday, I probably will read that story and explain it all. All right, what do we got here? Bang, Chief Vizo. Yes, the Pascu Yaki tribe. Look, VJ Masters, Hodless Killers. Y'all know the story. Learn about the Zebra. Bye. But look at the. Bye. 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 That's straight chicken, homie. That's straight chicken right there. Chief is serving up that. When these fucksticks come, they're going to have to pay a pretty penny for Chief's chicken. Oh. Look, Chief. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bye. Oh, yeah. He's going to make him pay for that chicken. And plus, what else they did to his people. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. There by the sea, the bye. Lorna, all in downs. Love your girl, see you, girl. Bye. Technically bullish. Got the V. Yes. Proudly. Yes. Love by the sea, the bye. Airdrop, a son of a bitch. Look, bye. Bye. Look, I got you wrong, guys. Got you again. Sneaking in here. Yeah. No, brother. See you, brother. Node savior. Bang. He saved me from my node. I fucked up, man. I forgot the password to my own daggone node. He was like, don't worry, dog. Just do that and put the numbers or put the words in and you'll be good. Thank God. Yeah, over a million VJs up in that bitch. All right, Andrew Trade 11 for the Z, brother. Bye. Radster, you changed your shit. What is that? I'm going to have to look at that. I can't see the picture. It's too small. Radster holding down the insurgency in Europe. In Prague. Eastern Europe. Led by the sea with a bang. DP Entertainment. So, brother. Led by the sea with a bang. Bidium. All right, that's everyone right there like that. All right. Peter Umo followed me. We got Peter Umo. There's Peter Umo. All right, well, led by the sea with a bang. Kong. Oh, Kong obviously beating up on Ripple lovers. What's Kong say? Oh, poor little Whipple Wubber. Need some more candy? He loves that. Look. Poor little whipper lovers. Little bitty bitty piece of candy. It's the truth. It's the truth. Yeah, now they're getting sued again in Florida. I mean, it's just over. It's just over. I mean, they're getting attacked from all angles. You know, people are looking at them, and it's a dying company. And whoops, what happened there? It's a dying company, and you know, well, what people do when a company they know is going to die? Yeah, well, they sue the shit out of them to get money out of them, right? Before it gets, shut down for good, right? So the vultures are circling, and bang, they're going to pick those ripple bones clean. All right, so what's going on here? Where's all right, we're gonna skip that. What's this thing about? Money sign MB4EP. All right. Is that a guy or a girl? Whatever you are. Bang. See ya. Daniel followed me. Lord by the Sheba, the bang. Where's Spy Lady? Because here it is, Spy Lady. I finally went and I got what you sent me. There she is, Sunny Bee. Spy Lady. So this is what Spy Lady sent me. Oh, yeah. This is some good shit right here. Actually, we're just going to go to the Death Star, and I'm going to show you guys right here. Yes, let's show you the big thing. Bang! All right, so here it is. So Spy Lady, she sent me this. It's been here for a few weeks, but I was lazy to go to my box. I finally got it, Spy Lady. And here it is. Here it is, guys. Bang. Bang. So you see that? Wait. Hold on. How can I... Hold on. I want to do this so that I can talk to you, but still show you the thing. Hold on 1 second. All right. Let's do this like this. Let me fold the sleeves. All right, there we go. But you can still see the picture. So you can still see the picture. But we're going to put the sleeves in. So what she sent me was it's an astronaut trying to go to the moon. Don't worry, brother. You'll get there. You'll get there with the V chain. Right? So you see the V chain symbol on his shirt. And he's got a sign at the bottom that said, hold on, some fuckstick is at my door. All right, hold on. And then we'll do this presentation in a second. 1 second. All right. Where are we here? So I was showing okay, now I see how I'm going to do this. So this is what she sent me. Spy Lady. So it says, just waiting for the next bull run. And you see the astronaut, obviously waiting to go to the moon. He's bummed out a little bit. He's waiting to go to the moon. And he needs some donations. And so at the bottom, you can see it says cash. And then he crossed out the cash and he says V-Chain only. So this guy's looking for V-Chain. So cool shirt. And he's got a V-Chain thing on his arm right there. Bang! So cool shirt. Spy Lady. Her name's Brenda. Thank you, Brenda. And I got your card. So Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas to you too. Bang! All right. There we go. All right. Let's get back to where were we? Were we still banging and shit? Let's get back here. Nah. Are we done? That's everybody. Oh, there's Pollywood. Look, Pollywood. Let's see with the bang. All right. Oh, that's right. We were done. And then, well, here's Abundantly Me. Let's see, brother. And the kid. Bang. And Crypto Rocketeer. Let's see with the bang. All right. Oh, it's all right. So, all right, then. Well, let's just get back to the Death Star then. All right. Bang. Bang. Welcome back. All right. Back to the Death Star. Good. All right. And look, brawlies. And you know what's funny? I told my buddy, I have a buddy of mine, Sean. You guys met him, the guy that was rolling the weed back in 2018. I showed you him right here. He's like rolling a joint while I'm doing the show. Sometimes there's a live studio audience. You just don't get to see them. Not studio audience, just a bunch of miscreants rolling joints, really. So if you see smoke coming from that angle, well, obviously it's not mine, is it? And it's not cigarette either. All right. But the truth. And what was I telling you about that? Oh yeah, Brawlies. So I told my buddy today, I'm like, yeah, look, I got this shirt from Spy Lady. Obviously, he watches this show every day, so he knows who Spy. Well, he doesn't know her, but I mean, he knows about the Spy Lady stuff. And he's like, oh, Spy Lady sent you a shirt. I'm like, yeah, look at the shirt. And I showed him the shirt. He's like, but did you get any Brawlies yet? I was like, I know. So look, Brawlies. Hold on. Hold on. Look, Brawlies. Look, we're going to have to go back into the jungle. Hold on. We're going back into the jungle. Oh, and there you are right there. Brawlies. Well, let me make sure everyone can see this. All right. Brawlies. As you can see, it's very easy to send me some merchandise. My P.O. box is prominently displayed on my Twitter, Brawlies. Now, I looked at your Brawlies. Oh, and they're beautiful. They're beautiful. And I wonder why a brother like me doesn't get one. I mean, what is it? The manufacturing cost? What is it? That much? What is that? What's going on? Send me a daggone Brawlies. All right, let's move on. I'm being silly. It's the truth. Everyone's sending me presents and everything. Not presents. I don't know if the word's presents. Yeah. Token of appreciation for doing this for free. And I can't even get a daggone Brawly. The fuck? All right, guys. Let's get on to our shit. Let's move on. Let's get out of here. I rapped enough about that whole... I didn't even want to look at it. The GameStop thing. All right, so story number 1. Ethereum onboards Reddit for scaling resources. So, that's mega. That's mega. It's mega. Yeah, I mean, what else do you want to say about it? Another onboarding. I guess what I'll say about it, like, just because I got to yap about everything once in a while. You know, just like I said, you know, yeah, man, Shomari, Ethereum sucks. Yeah, well, it's good enough for Reddit. Right? Like, what you think sucks is because you're listening to some techno nerd tell you. Yeah, 1,000 transactions a second. Fucking this and this. People don't need all that. Look, they're telling you, I'll sell you a Lamborghini. I don't need a Lambo, dog. Because the speed limit is only 15 miles an hour in this children's zone here, and it's only 35 miles an hour on the street. But this Lambo, it can go 200 miles an hour. Yeah, well, I'm not allowed to drive it 200 miles an hour, am I? That's really fucking worthless, isn't it? You know, it's just for pride, really, at that point. Like, now you're just buying it just for, you know, show off. You can't drive that thing as that fast as it can go. Right? Nobody can ever put their... If you buy a Lambo, and believe me, I have a buddy with a Lambo here. I told you about that guy. He's got an exotic car rental shop. Yeah, he's got a Lambo. We've driven in it many times. Yeah, fucking 3 in the morning. Fucking wow. Down, what is it, I-95 right here? I don't remember the name of the highway. I think it's called I-95. Yeah, and you dare not even put the pedal all the way down on that motherfucker. And it's so, like this. Like, when he puts it, you're like, whoa. Yeah, it's like a jet fighter on the ground. All right, what are we talking about, Lambos, though? What? Oh, that's right. So, hey, you can have a Lambo, but it's not necessary. All right? It's not necessary. The speed limit's 65 miles an hour. As long as you have any sort of vehicle that gets you at that speed to the highway, where you're going to get there at the same time as the guy with the Lambo. Let's get real. All right. Oh, and then what we were talking about Ethereum though, not Lambos. Yeah, so the scaling, the resources, I mean, just onboarding for Ethereum. All right, let's just get out of there. So, bang, Ethereum hodlers, of which I am a major one. So, Pantera to launch crypto fund next month. And so Pantera is, the real deal. They're actually real market guys. And like I said, those guys said, yeah, it's not just going to be just Bitcoin fund, just Ethereum fund. Yeah, they're going to make proper funds with a basket of assets. In other words, like I said, you want to be a fund manager. I wish I could make funds. I'd make the best funds. Yeah, I'll make an IoT, Internet of Things, distributed ledger technology fund, right? Easy. IoT DLT fund. Bang. Anything that deals with IoT, right in that fund. What else we got here? What other funds we got that I can make out of crypto? What I say? The one I told you guys about. Supply chain fund. Yeah, any crypto out here doing supply chain, bang, 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 right into that fund. I mean, it's too easy. It's too easy. And Pantera is the real deal. They're a real fund. They're real killers in the real world. Wow, crypto's real world, but it's getting there. It's getting there. It's not truly part of the goodie room yet. But oh yeah, their membership is pending, but approved. It's already approved. We just need the ceremony. And so, next month. So that's going to be interesting to see what funds they come out with. Like, what little, well, not little, just what they put in their basket of assets to make each fund. Bang! All right. And then finally, the mayor of Reno, Nevada pushes for government to adopt Chainlink. And so, Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue. And so maybe they'll come to the rescue of Reno. But what I really liked about that story, so I know I'm making fun of the Reno lady and all that, but really what I liked about the story is that they showed that Chainlink's new use case could be you put government data on it, right? Which is immutable. And, you have your government data on it. And so that was kind of cool. And then I guess if the government has a blockchain, well, obviously Chainlink can give you data, right? Because they were talking about like the data I was talking to you guys about. Let me read this again. Well, I'm not going to read it to you again, but I'm just going to say a few things, right? Chainlink, we're always reading about this bullshit about, not bullshit, but just this DeFi thing, price feeds. Yeah, well, Chainlink can be used for more than that. Let me read it again. Right. Could be used for weather. And that's the one I told you about. Weather feeds. That's huge. Weather is huge. I know it sounds stupid. The fucking weather, Shomari? Yes, man. Don't you all motherfuckers wake up and look at the weather? Yeah, well, that's mega, isn't it? Don't you look to see if it's going to rain today or be sunny today? We all do. All right. And so weather feeds, health feeds, traffic feeds. Yeah, guys. So Chainlink to the rescue. Reno can incorporate all those kind of feeds and more into it. And so great stuff. So on that note, let's chill it and kill it. I'm not going to get back into the GameStop. And let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. Also press the thumbs up so YouTube is happy with me. All right. My name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! It's the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home. And I'll see you all tomorrow for another fun fact crypto-filled day of cryptoness. So look, until then, Subscribe here. Bang! And press the bell so you get the notification. Then watch that video right there. Bang! Greatest show in the multiverse. And I will see you tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke, and I am watching our money. Bang! I'm always on duty. Yes. Haha. Over and out.